What's going on, guys? Welcome to Octane Addicts. We're right here in beautiful Travelers Rest, South Carolina at Gearz in the Park. I'm going to take you on this little tour of this awesome little car show right here in July. It is hot, but come join us. How about a Periodcorrect 57 straight out of the 50s with the Krager wheels, little small block. It is an automatic, but we won't hold that against them. Still a cool little car. Right here is a beautiful 57 Chevrolet pickup truck. It's a local to the Travelers Rest scene. It is absolutely gorgeous from one end to the other. Jason Keller's brand new Nomad, first out this season. It is absolutely gorgeous, supercharged. You can't ask for a nicer Nomad. That thing is awesome. This is another car that's local to the Travelers Rest scene, and it's been showed everywhere and wins trophies everywhere it goes. 1955 Chevrolet small block, automatic, custom paint. He done it himself in his garage. Built this whole entire car. Absolutely gorgeous. Little Yanko Camaro over there. Matt, check out that Yanko Camaro over there. Wow, we got to go check that out. That's a beautiful little ride. Small block, houndstooth interior, slick black paint job. Can't ask no better. Oh, look, it's John. John, our pinstriper. His little C10 right here, sitting out here all nice and pretty, all decked up. I don't know if he's pinstriping around here or not, but he might be. Little GTO, looks like it's got a big block in it. Gorgeous car. Wow. C10 scene's always happening. That's one of the cleanest black little paint jobs on one. And of course, Butch, as always, he never not comes. He's always at every show all across the country. Then we got little misbehaving Mrs. Carey Grimes with her beautiful little Charger right here. It's got the little B on the side, and that's her little trademark. She loves it. Of course, America can never go wrong with that. How about a Dodge Ram pickup truck? Probably has one of them Hemis in it, I would say. Of course, funeral home gray. Never can go wrong with that. Another 57. I've never seen this one around. This is a gorgeous car. Gray cloth interior, automatic, big wheels, red. Then we got this beautiful, beautiful Fairlane. This was on our show as well. It's a Fairlane 500 owned by Chad. Beautiful car all the way across. I always make fun of him on one thing though. That bumper. He's been trying to get that bumper fixed for 2 years. Still hasn't got it. We're going to get him one of these days. Dave Henson's Mustang, and then of course his American Mustang. He just couldn't bring one, he had to show off and bring two. That's just Dave, the way he is. When was the last time you seen a SVO turbocharged Fox body? I've had a couple of these in my lifetime. Fun little car to get around in. I've had a lot of Fox bodies, but SVO was a fun one. How about a little C3 Corvette? T-top. This is a gorgeous little car. Wow. I have never seen this car out. 350. It is a 4-speed car. T-top 4-speed C3 Corvette 350. Wow, that is a gorgeous car. I have never seen that out. I'm not a huge Corvette fan. Everybody knows that story. But if not, I will tell you sometime. Just message me and I will tell you the whole story behind that. And it's not a good one. How about C10? Everybody loves a gorgeous C10, and this one is definitely probably one of the nicest ones out here. It is absolutely gorgeous. Orange, beautiful black interior, small block. It's painted the same. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Got it. MSD. Wow. Then, how can you not love an old wagon? Wagons, I have a soft spot for wagons. I just absolutely love wagons. And this is probably one of the nicest ones around in Greenville County. It's always out at all the shows. Just absolutely fun little car. Then we come across Ben 65 C10. Gorgeous orange paint job, gorgeous black leather interior, AC, gorgeous bed work in it. Ben, it just happens to be the guy that's putting on this event for Cancer. And you can't ask anything better. He just retired as a police officer. Now he's trying to do all kinds of stuff in the community to help out. This is his personal truck, absolutely gorgeous. Take a look at all the cool stuff we got that he's raised to give away. We got trophies, we got weed eaters, we got buckets from O'Reilly's, we got jacks, we got jack stands, we got so much stuff to give away. I don't know what we're gonna do with it all, except give it to all these lucky fans that are just here. I mean, because what else you come for? Nice trophies, beautiful day, great food, everything else. Guys, I wanna thank you for riding along with us. Stay tuned to More Octane Addicts. We'll be right back with you.